In this video, we're going to figure out how to implement a superclass's method. Sometimes a subclass wants to act differently than its superclass, in some circumstances. We see that MBF dog is MBF puppy's superclass, or the class it directly inherits from. In our case, I think it's very unrealistic for our puppy to know how to woof when it's so young. By implementing a superclass's method, we can override the bark method's implementation in the MBF dog class and write our own functionality for our puppy. Let's practice this. Go to mbfpuppy.m, and we're going to go ahead below the giveEyes method. We're going to implement the bark method. So we're going to start typing void, and when we type bark, notice the autocomplete, so we can press return. I'm going to add curly braces left and right so I can write some logic. And we're going to change the implementation of bark. So instead of woofing, let's do Analogue, and let's whimper instead. So we'll whimper twice. And I can go ahead and go back to mbfviewcontroller.m, and we're getting two Analogue statements right now. One from little puppy give puppy eyes, which is printing out the unhappy face, and we're also doing little puppy bark. And we want to leave little puppy bark because here we're testing, is this bark method being overridden and using my custom implementation versus MBF dog's implementation. So go ahead and remove give puppy eyes, and you go ahead and run your application, and we'll see whimper whimper come out. Now, when a puppy whimpers, I think it probably also gives puppy eyes. So let's go back to mbfpuppy.m, and inside of bark, we can call the give puppy eyes method. So let's go ahead, and after our Analogue statement, we can do self. And since we define this method inside of this class ourselves, we have to use the self keyword as the object, and we'll write give puppy eyes, which is the method. And we can go ahead and rerun our application, and we'll see that we both get whimper and the unhappy face, but we don't have to explicitly call give puppy eyes from MBF view controller for the unhappy face to print out.